Hi Mark, I'm Vivian. I'm going to start now. 45 Taiwanese foods we can't live without. From mountains of flavor-shaped ice to chicken cutlets as big as the face, Taiwanese eating always comes with superlatives. Small eats, and a lot of them, are the big thing in Taiwan. The culinary philosophy here is eat often and eat well. Sure, there is the internationally accepted 3 meals a day dining format, but why be so limited when you can make like the Taiwanese and indulge in gourmet snacking at any time of the day? The Taiwanese capital, Taipei, has around 20 streets dedicated to snacking. Every time you think you've found the best street-side bao, the most incredible stinky tofu, or mind-blowing beef noodle soup, there's always another Taiwanese food shop that surpasses it. The island's food is a mashup of the cuisine of the Minnan, Teochew, and Hokkien Chinese communities, along with Japanese cooking. It's a culinary love-in with diversely delicious offspring. Arguments about the best food on Taiwan risk ruining relationships and lifelong friendships. Food is serious, is respected, is all excellent in Taiwan. Number 1. Braised pork rice. Where there is a whiff of smoke from the kitchen chimney, there will be ru fan, braised pork with rice. Goes the Taiwanese saying. The popularity of this humble dish cannot be overstated. Ru fan is almost synonymous with Taiwanese food. The Taipei city government launched a Braised Pork Rice is Ours campaign last year after Michelin Green Guide Taiwan claimed the dish was from Shandong province in mainland China. A good bowl of ru fan comprises finely chopped, not quite minced, pork belly slow cooked in aromatic soy sauce with 5 spices. There should be an ample amount of fattiness, in which lies the magic. The meat is spooned over hot rice, a little sweet, a little salty. Braised pork rice is comfort food perfected. Jin Feng Lu Ru Fan, 10 Roosevelt Road, Section 1, Zhongzheng District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22396-0808. Number 2. Beef noodle. You know a food is an obsession when it gets its own festival. Beef noodle soups inspires competitiveness, and innovation in chefs. Everyone wants to claim the title of Beef Noodle King. From visiting New Baba for one of the most expensive bowls of beef noodle soup in the world, TW $10,000 or US $334, to a serendipitous foray into the first makeshift noodle shack you spot. It's almost impossible to have a bad beef noodle experience in Taiwan. Lingdong Fang's beef shanks with al dente noodles in herbal soup are a perennial favorite. The street-side eatery's secret weapon is a dollop of homemade chili butter added last. Lingdong Fang, 274 Beit Road, Section 2, Zhongshan District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22752-2556. New Baba. Number 16, Alley 27, Land 216, Section 4, Zhongxiaodonglu, Da'an District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22778-3075 or 886-28771-5358. Number 3. Oyster Omelette. Here is a snack that really showcases the fat of the land in Taiwan. You've got something from the sea and something from the soil. The eggs are the perfect foil for the little oyster easily found around the island, while sweet potato starch is added to give the whole thing a gooey chewiness, a signature Taiwan food texture. No wonder the soup was voted best snack to represent Taiwan in a poll of 1,000 Taiwanese by Global Views Monthly a few years back. Lice Egg Oyster Omelette, Ningxia Road, Night Market. Phone number 886-22558-6177. Number 4. Bubble Tea. Bubble tea represented the QQ food texture that Taiwanese love. The phrase refers to something that is especially chewy, like the tapioca balls. It is said that this unusual drink was invented out of boredom. Liu Han-cha threw some sweetened tapioca pudding into her iced SMT on one fateful day in 1988, and a great Taiwanese culinary export was born. Variations on the theme include taro flavored tea, jasmine tea, and coffee served cold or hot. Chunshui Town Tea House, 48 Yishu Street, Longjing, Taichung County. Phone number 886-4652-8288. Number 4. Milkfish. How popular is milkfish in Taiwan? So popular that it has its own theme museum in Anping, and there's a milkfish cultural festival in Kaohsiung. The boned fish might pose a challenge for amateurs, but is loved for its tender meat and economical price tag. Milkfish is prepared in numerous ways: in a congee porridge, pan-fried, as vegetable soup, or braised. For home-style preparation, retro izakaya-style restaurant Jam's Kitchen serves pan-fried milkfish with lamb. A bowl of scallion lard rice is a great complement. Jam's Kitchen, 65 Yongkan Street, Da'an District, Taipei. Phone number 886-22342-2275. Number 4. Slack Season Danzai Noodles. You've got to love a place called Slack Season, and it should be one of the first pit stops on any culinary trip to Taiwan. The iconic eatery originated in Tainan about a century ago. A fisherman sold noodles during the slack fishing season, and the joint became so successful he quit his original trade altogether. The signature bowl of slack season noodles is served in shrimp soup with bean sprouts, coriander, minced pork, and fresh shrimps. The bowl of comforting flavors is so addictive that a man from Tainan supposedly ate 18 bowls in a row at the restaurant. Slack Season Tainan Men's Store, 16 Zhongzhen Road, Tainan City. Phone number 886-6223-1744. See website for details of other locations. Number 7. Pan-fried bun. Like the fluffiness of cake and the crunchiness of potato chips, the pan-fried bun gives you the best of both worlds. The buns are made with spongy white Chinese bread that is pan-fried on the bottom. Break one open to reveal the moist, porky filling. A Shanghainese staple, the Taiwanese version differs in two ways. It's slightly bigger in size, and it hits the pan upside down. 许记 Shida Night Market, Da'an District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-93085-9646. Number 8. Gua Bao is a hamburger, Taiwan style. A steamed bun sandwiches, a hearty filling of braised pork belly, pickled Chinese cabbage, and powdered peanuts. The filling is chopped into small pieces and mixed together so there's a bit of everything in every bite. Western hamburgers might benefit from the same treatment. Take a big mouthful and enjoy the salty, sour, and sweet flavors in the greasy pork swimming in your mouth. Shida Night Market, Shida Road, Nanhu District, Taipei. Number 8. Iron Egg. It's called iron egg because it's so tough. These chewy eggs, little eggs dyed black from long braising in soy sauce, are a highly addictive Taiwanese food, often made from quail's eggs. The protein balls are cooked for hours in soy sauce, then air-dried. The process is repeated over several days until the snacks become tough and acquire the desired amount of chewiness. Seaside Apple 151-1 Zhongzhen Road, Damshui. Apple 135-1 Zhongzhen Road, Damshui. Number 10. Pineapple Cake. This iconic Taiwanese pastry, mini pies filled with candied pineapple, is one of Taiwan's best food souvenirs. For one of the best pineapple cake experiences, try Sunny Hills, which uses only local pineapples. The result is a darker filling, rougher texture, and a sourer taste. The pies at other shops are filled with a mix of pineapple and chewable bits of winter melon. They have a fruity sweetness and a golden casing of crumbly, buttery pastry. Stores that replace pineapple completely with winter melon to cut costs are committing a big no-no. Sunny House, first floor, number 1, Alley 4, Lane 36, Section 5, Mingshan East Road, Songshan District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-48229-2767. Number 11. Tianbula. Tianbula refers to fish paste that's been molded into various shapes and sizes, deep-fried, then boiled in the broth. Before eating, the pieces of solid fish paste are taken from the broth and smothered in brown sauce. Doesn't sound like much, but tianbula delivers plenty of sweet flavors and chewy textures, making it a beloved Taiwanese food. The food is basically a Taiwanese take on Japanese udon, with more sugariness, tougher fish cakes, and a signature sauce. When you finish the bits of fish cake, there's more to come. Get some soup from the vendor and add it to the remaining sauce in the bowl. Mix and drink the resulting flavor bomb. Simon Tianbula 95 Xining South Road, Wanhua District, Taipei City. Phone number 886223312481. Number 12. Bawan. Bawan is Taiwanese mega dumpling, made with a dough of rice flour, cornstarch, and sweet potato starch. It looks almost translucent after cooking. Pork, veggies, and sometimes eggs are stuffed inside and gravy poured on top. It's believed bawan was invented during times of scarcity. The simple pork dumpling became a luxurious snack enjoyed only during the Lunar New Year festival. Donghua Bawan. Number 7. Alley 39, Donghua Street, Da'an District, Taipei City. Phone number 8862-2707-8562. Number 13. Fried Chicken. Taiwan deserves a special place in the Fried Chicken Hall of Fame. Not only has it made the giant fried chicken cutlet, number 35 on this list, a cult classic, but its popcorn chicken is dangerously addictive. The chicken is chopped into bite-sized pieces, marinated, dipped in batter and deep-fried. A generous sprinkling of salt and pepper complete the Moorish morsels. It's a ubiquitous snack on the city streets. Taiwan's first popcorn chicken store, number 530-1, Bei'an Road, Zhongshan District, Taipei City. Number 14. Flaky Scallion Pancake. There are few things more appetizing than the sight of a flaky scallion pancake being slowly torn apart. Add cheese and egg fillings to maximize the visuals. Devour this night market staple in a few bites to ensure it stays steaming hot and chewy. Shida Night Market, Shida Road, Naihu District, Taipei. Number 15. Oyster Vermicelli. A bowl of great oyster vermicelli should have a thick, flavorful soup base while the thin rice noodles and oyster retain their distinct texture. Some people add chopped intestines for a funky dimension to the soup. It's a gooey, slurpable dish with an intense creamy taste. Azhong 8-1 and Main Street, Wanhua District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22620-9989. Number 16. Stinky tofu. This could be the world's premier love it or hate it snack, and Taiwan does it just right. The fragrant cube of bean curd is deep fried and draped with sweet and spicy sauce. If you hold your nose, it looks and tastes just like a plain oil piece of fried tofu, with a crisp casing and soft center like pudding. But what's the fun in eating that? Inhale deeply and release the stench. The smellier, the better. Raohe Night Market, north end of Keelung Road, Taipei. Number 17. Sweet potato. Leaving taste, smell, and nutritional value aside, the sweet potato stands out for one particular reason among Taiwanese food. It's shaped a bit like the island. Taiwan-grown sweet potatoes are added to soup with ginger, roasted by street vendors in ovens, converted from oil drums, ground to a flour and added to other dishes to give texture, or fried into sweet potato chips. As long as the beloved root vegetable is in it, Taiwanese love it. Sweet potato congee at Xingye. Floor 18th, Taipei 101, 6 Xingyi Road, Section 5, Xingyi District, Taipei City. Phone number 8876-28101-0185. See other locations at www.xingye.com.tw. Also on CNN Go, eat a Taipei sweet potato mama for a day. Number 18. Shaved Ice Mountain. One good thing about the hot, humid, and stormy Taiwan summers is the excuse to eat shaved ice mountain. A pail of shaved ice is heaped with fresh fruit and flavorings, such as mango pieces, juice, and sweet condensed milk. The result is super appealing just by looks alone. A more traditional take uses freshly made mini rice balls. Feast on mango shaved ice at the Yongkang 15 Yongkang Street, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22321-3367. For classics, go to Tai Yi Milk King. 82 Xinshan South Road, Section 3. Phone number 886-22363-4341. Number 19. Pepper cakes. A must-try at Raohe Night Market. Pepper cakes are crispy pastry pockets filled with juicy pork that's infused with an aromatic bite of black pepper. Bake on the wood of a clay oven. The pies are a delicious ode to the pepper plant. Eat more than one, or you have to wait again in the long queue for more. Raohe Night Market, north end of Keelung Road, Taipei. Number 20. Dumplings at Din Tai Fung Dumpling House. Xiaolongbao may be a Shanghainese delicacy, but some argue Taiwanese perfected it. Taiwanese restaurant Din Tai Fung does its Shanghai comrades proud with its succulent pork soup dumplings. Din Tai Fung's bite-sized Xiaolongbao have a consistently high quality. Their paper-thin wrappings hold rich hot broth and tender pork meatballs. Gaps can be heard intermittently at Din Tai Fung as diners brave the scalding hot soup that squirts out upon biting the dumpling. Din Tai Fung Dumpling House, 192 Xingyi Road, Section 2, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22321-8929. Number 21. Fish ball soup. What's better than fresh seafood? Bowls of fresh seafood, of course. Look for handmade fish bowls in Taiwan. They tend to have more air in the bowl, thus allowing more broth to be soaked up. They also have a bouncier chew, Jiaxing Fishbowl. Number 21, Land 210, Section 2, Yangping North Road, Datong District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22553-64770. Number 22, Beef stewed in medicinal herbs. This is the Taiwanese version of bakgoude, the Chinese meat soup that's also popular in Singapore and Malaysia. In Taiwan, the soup is slow cooked in Chinese medicine, extracting the essence from pork bones and more than 14 nutritious herbs, roots, and dry fruits. It's yummy and good for you too, especially for keeping warm in winter. There isn't much meat on the lean bones, but the point of the dish is the soup. Don't be shy to pick the bones up and suck the juice off. You might even be considered strange if you don't. Nanya Night Market, Nanya East Road, Taipei City. Number 23, Goose, Geese. Bred on Taiwan farms are never wasted. From the skin to the blood, they are made into delicious dishes. Salted and smoked geese in Hawaii are revelatory. Every bite of the juicy goose meat with slightly smoked skin tastes like a pure celebration of poultry. Or you could try one of Bistro Le Pon's bowls of steamed rice topped with goose, chili oil, and XO sauce. The grain rice are an ideal vehicle for goose fat and flavor. Yarou-Zhen, 231-2, Xinyu Street, Yangcheng District, Kaohsiung. Phone number 886-7531-4630. Bistro La Pont, 176 Chaozhou Street, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22396-5677. Number 24, Ding Bian Chuo. Ding Bian Chuo is a bowl of slippery rice flour pasta. Rice flour batter is poured along the side of a huge heated wok, sliding and spreading along the hot metal and forming slices of rice flour noodle. When dried, the sheets are cut into smaller pieces that become very thin and very chewy noodles when cooked as Ding Bian Chuo. Wujia Ding Bian Chuo is a century-old family business. Its Ding Bian Chuo is served with handmade pork cakes, shrimp cakes, cabbage, daylily, and bamboo shoots. Wujia Ding Bian Chuo, Heilong Temple Street Night Market, Taipei City. Number 25, Taiwanese sausage with sticky rice. Taiwanese pork sausage alone is a superstar at night markets, but when served as a snack translated as little sausage inside big sausage, it's possibly unbeatable. It's like a hot dog, but instead of a bone, sticky rice is stuffed inside sausage casing to make an oversized rice sausage. That's then slit open to stuff in a pork sausage. So it's a little sausage inside a big one. Get it? Fengjia Night Market, Taichung County. Number 26, Mochi. These glutinous rice balls are soft as marshmallows and filled with sweet or salty things. The most traditional mochi are filled with red bean paste and rolled in peanut powder. But in recent years, strawberry jam, sesame paste, green tea jam, and peanut paste have become popular fillings. You can learn how to make mochi at the Royal Taiwan Mochi Museum, around US $5 per person. Royal Taiwan Mochi Museum, number 3, Zuchang 3rd Road, Nantao County. Phone number 886-49-225-7644. See the class schedule at www.taiwanmochi.com.tw in Chinese only. Number 27, Lantern Soy Sauce Braised Food. No matter what you choose from the Lantern Lu Wei food stall, it will take on the taste of the signature 5-spice soy sauce. It's a little sweet, not too salty, and very aromatic with cloves, star anise, cinnamon, and other spices. Pick your preferred ingredients and the chef will cook it in the pot of special sauce. It's a perfect light meal before a big night out. You should expect to wait in lines as the chef never rushes. He takes his time to allow the food to absorb the sauce. Lantern Lu Way, Shida Night Market, Shida Road, Nanfu District, Taipei. Number 28. Sun Cakes. Originating in Taichung, the sun cake is just a flaky pastry filled with motors. And yet, this sweet nothing has come to represent Taichung City and is a souvenir sought out by visitors. Countless sun cake shops flourish in Taichung, all claiming to be the original store. But maybe it's time for them to shine. The genuine original sun cake store, Taiyang Bakery, closed down when the 68-year-old boss decided to retire. Along Ziyou Street, Zhongshan District, Taichung County. Number 29. Tube rice pudding. Sticky rice and Chinese mushrooms are fried with seasoning and stuffed into a bamboo tube together with pork and egg. The tube of rice is steamed again to further soften and texture until it becomes a cylindrical pudding. Da Qiao Tou started making its rice pudding in a stall under a bridge more than 4 decades ago. The business has since expanded, but the rice pudding stays the same. You should be sure to add the homemade turnip-glazed sweet spicy sauce to the tasting. Da Qiao Tou, 41 Yangping North Road, Section 3, Datong District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22594-4685. Number 30. Taiwanese breakfast. 3 elements to start a day right with Taiwanese food include sesame flatbread, deep-fried Chinese donuts, and soy milk. Blogger John H. from A Hungry Girl's Guide to Taipei says her favorite breakfast is from Fuhan. I love the thick sesame flatbread at Fuhan because it has a slight sweetness, a thin crispy layer, and soft center from coming straight out of the hot metal barrel. Many sesame flatbreads are dry and flaky, but Fuhan's shows why there is often a half-hour wait there on the weekends. Fuhan Doujiang. Second floor, Huashan Market, 108 Zhongxiao East Road, Section 1, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22392-2175. Number 31. Pig's Blood Rice Pudding. This mix of pig's blood and sticky rice is stuck on the end of a stick like a lollipop. For the final Taiwanese touch, the pudding is coated in sweet peanut powder. Basketball star Jeremy Lin Shu Hao named pig's blood rice cake as one of his favorite snacks on his recent visit to Taiwan. If it's good enough for Lin, it's good enough for us. Shaoli, number 1-3, Land 136, Section 4, Roosevelt Road, Taipei City. Phone number 886-22368-3417. Number 32. 3-cup chicken. 3-cup chicken is cooked in a cup of rice wine, a cup of oil, and a cup of soy sauce. To this Taiwanese culinary triumvirate is added fresh basil, chilies, and garlic for an irresistible combination. Some kitchens have a different definition of 3-cup chicken, involving a cup of wine, a cup of sesame oil, and a cup of sugar. Xingye, floor 85, Taipei 101, 7 Xingyi Road, Section 5, Xingyi District, Taipei City. Phone number 886-28101-0185. Number 33. Dan Shui Age. Age comes from the Japanese aberage, which are deep-fried tofu pockets. Taiwanese age are stuffed with mung bean noodles and sealed off with fish paste. A typical sweet spicy sauce completes the snack. The tofu soaks up the soup is cooking, so each bite bursts with broth. Paired with the soy milk, the age makes a great savory breakfast. Zhenli Street, Damshui. Number 34. Bantiao. Bantiao flaked rice noodles has such a rapid following that many Taiwanese will drive long distances in search of the most authentic bowl. The thick, flat, slippery noodles made from glutinous rice are a part of the Hakka culinary tradition and best samples in Kaohsiung's Meinong district. Stir-fried bantao with pork has a rustic taste and texture. Many find the dish more comforting when served in hot soup. Meixin Street, Meinong district, Kaohsiung. Number 35. Hot Star Large Fried Chicken. According to a Taipei Times report of 2011, Taiwanese devour more than 250,000 fried chicken cutlets a day, piled atop each other. That would make a chicken cutlet tower 10 times as tall as Taipei 101, the island's tallest skyscraper at 508 meters. 508 meters. Go to Hot Star for the original oversized chicken cutlet. The enormous slice of meat, as big as your face, is very moist with a crispy crust. A generous coating of 5-spice powder and pepper gives it a kick. Starting as a small counter at Shili Night Market, Hot Star is now a Taiwanese food franchise presented in Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Singapore. Hot Star Large Fried Chicken, Shili Night Market, Jia Road, Shilin District, Taipei City. Number 36. Anything with cuttlefish. Taiwan gets a lot of cuttlefish, and grill stations spiked with cuttlefish skewers can be found everywhere in the southern tip of the island. Although a thick cuttlefish soup with herbs and veggies is a typical Taiwanese winter warmer, one of the best ways to enjoy the mollusk is fresh out of sea water, straight on the charcoal grill. A smoky aroma, dark grill marks, glistening third fish edges, and dustings of salt and pepper make up the scene. Fenjia Night Market, Taichung County. 37. Ayu jelly. Very wobbly and hardly tasting of anything. Ayu jelly takes on the flavor of whatever it's eaten with. Add it to lemonade and shaved ice for a refreshing summer drink. The jelly gives the liquid a fun gloopy texture. Shida Night Market, Shida Road, Nanhu District, Taipei City. Number 38. Pidan tofu. Black, white, and singly blend pidan tofu is a likely candidate for love at first bite fame, but after a few tries it becomes a minor addiction for many eaters. Pidan, or century egg, is a dog egg preserved in clay with seasonings. With time, the egg white turns into a translucent black jelly, and the yolk develops a unique flavor. It is topped with seasoned sesame oil, vinegar, soy sauce, coriander, chopped spring onion, and sometimes pork floss. Mash it up and it's ready to eat. Widely available at local restaurants. 39. Steamed spring roll. To describe it as a non-deep fried version of a spring roll would be unfair, as Rongbin, steamed spring roll, was invented before the spring roll. Every Taiwanese household has its own recipe for rongbin. During festival, families gather at the table to have a rongbin wrapping party. Each person chooses their own fillings from a buffet and rolls their own rongbin. Besides serving delicious rongbin, Xinye at Taipei 101 also offers an incomparable view of the city. Xinye. Number 40. Spicy hot pot. Taiwanese are mad for spicy hot pot. And who wouldn't be? The bubbling pot of broth and filled with all sorts of Chinese herbs and spices to create a rich flavor for all the roll. Fresh ingredients that diners will dip into it. New hot pot places pop up in Taiwan every day, each with a gimmick to attract insatiable hotpot diners. There is all-you-can-eat hotpot and yakiniku served at the same table. There is bubble tea hotpot for the jaded, but it's ordinary spicy hotpot with quality ingredients that stands the test of time. While Taiwan's spice levels don't come close to Chongqing's, they are pretty piquant. Head to perennial hotpot favorite and celeb magnet Taihodian for a glam Taiwanese hotpot experience. Number 41. Tiger strip chicken guabao. At many places, tiger strip chicken guabao can be thought of as Taiwan's answer to the Big Mac. At all new restaurant in Kaohsiung, however, the humble dish gets the upscale treatment. The restaurant uses pumpkin and edible bamboo charcoal powder to create a yellow and black striped bone, then fills it with deep-fried and braised chicken, fillets in soy sauce and tomato sauce. The result is a sweet and sour flavor that's different from typical guabao. Number 42. Chicken wing rice roll. The chicken wing rice roll makes the impossible possible. Eating chicken fried rice in a night market with one hand. A boneless chicken wing is stuffed with fried rice and marinated in a heavenly combination of sesame oil and secret sauce. It's so good it started a chicken wrapped rice craze in Kaohsiung's Rufen night market, with various fillings such as kimchi, fried rice, and curry rice. Rufen night market, Yuchen Road, Suoying District, Kaohsiung. Number 43. Giant pork bowl soup. The best pork bowls are made from fresh meat, hand-ground and pounded with a mullet until it attains a doughy texture. The giant pork bowls in stock soup from Taipei's Ningxia night market are as big as a baby's fist. Their size, as well as the air hose pumped in the meatballs during the pounding, locks in an amazing amount of juice and flavor. The Chinese name illustrates the experience of eating one vividly, but a literal translation is bursting juice giant pork bowls. Pork bowls are sometimes mixed with ingredients such as Chinese mushrooms and cuttlefish to enrich texture and add flavor. Number 44. Wu Baochun Bakery Breads. Bread? In Taiwan? Seriously? We hear you thinking, but this isn't just any bread we are talking about. It's from Wu Baochun, a world baking champion with many award-winning loaves to its name. The bread that won the International Baking Competition Cup du Monde de la Boulangerie in 2010 is the bakery's lychee rose bread. It's made with mullet wine, lychee, and rose petals. Wu Baochun also won the Louis Lesafree Cup in 2007 and a silver medal at the 2008 Bakery World Cup. Another signature of the store is wild longan, bread with smoked longans, French wine, and California walnuts. Number 45. Biandang. A lot of Taiwanese have a love-hate relationship with Taiwanese biandang bantao, the takeaway lunchbox that packs rice with the main dish, usually a type of meat, and small, often unappealing side dishes such as fried and preserved vegetables. It's a convenient, quick, cheap, less than $3, and generally decent way to eat. Biandang isn't one of the most delicious foods in Taiwan, but is a staple for countless working parents and busy urbanites. Bento with chicken cutlets is a good biandang choice, found at convenience stores and major high-speed rail stations around Taiwan. Originally published June 2012, updated January 28, 2014. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.